scared of bitches into liking him. That motherfucker's crazy. Throw your panties on the stage. That's what's happening. I like Elvis Presley. Really, I give credit where credit is due. When Elvis was young, he was a bad motherfucker, boy. Elvis was bad. He was vicious.
Whoa.
Whoa. Jello shots for breakfast.
And a bottle of wine.
And a bottle of wine. With ginger.
And whiskey.
And whiskey.
And whiskey.
She had a whiskey too?
Yeah.
Fucking shit.
And Winky.
And Winky.